Hello viewers, WhatsApp not working, SMS not sending and call not working, but internet connection is on. On the other hand, all others app running fine, but only WhatsApp not working. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all open WhatsApp and then click on three dot icon. Go to settings. Now scroll down and go to storage and data. Now click on proxy. From here turn off proxy. If your proxy is turned on, now go back and see SMS sending and WhatsApp now working. If still problem not resolved, then follow next step. Find WhatsApp and long press on WhatsApp. Now click on app info or I button. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store, click on search bar and search WhatsApp. From here update your WhatsApp if available any update version. Now restart your phone. After following all this process, I hope your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.